Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to show you what are the deals that I have purchased in 2021. At the time I am making this video, this is 13th December 2021. So only one day left to come 2022. In this video, I will talk about what are the deals that I have bought in 2021 and how they helping me. Before starting, I just want to make it clear that I started my online business journey almost 5 months ago in 2021. If you go to my YouTube channel and if you see my first video, it's 5 months ago, and this is the time when I started my online business journey, when I was starting to get familiar with all of this digital stuff. All the deals I have purchased and all the things I have done is in this 5 months. Now let me show the deals. The first deal I have bought is WriterGen. I bought this deal from Stacksocial. This deal also came in Appsumo also, but I missed this deal, and after that I have bought from Stacksocial. If you see, it's lifetime, and this tool is helping me a lot. As a beginner, if I purchase other tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush, they are very expensive for me. In this case, WriterGen is my lifesaver. I use this tool for topic discovery, to create outline for my blogs. Also, I research keywords for all my blog using WriterGen, and if you see my this blog, all the contents of this blog has been written by the help of WriterGen. And also, I use the plagiarism checker of WriterGen, and I'm only using this plagiarism checker for my blogs. I have created a full video how I research keywords on WriterGen. I will give this video link in the I button. If you are interested, you can see it. So guys, this is my first deal that I have bought in 2021 for my online business, and it's really helping me. As a beginner, I can say that it's my lifesaver. After that, the second deal I have bought in 2021 is Skillnut. Skillnut is an AI-powered SEO assistant content writer. I have bought this lifetime deal from Pitchground. I bought the plan C from Pitchground of Skillnut. By this plan, I can write up to 250,000 long form content every month and unlimited number of short form content every month. And I can create up to 100 reports using this plan. As a beginner, this plan is enough for me. If you see all the contents written on www.passivern.com, they all are written using Skillnut. If you see the SEO assistant tab, all the contents I have written in my blogs are written in this Skillnut platform by the help of WriterGen. I have written all the contents on Skillnut. So guys, this is my second plan I have bought in 2021, and it's also helping me. After that, the third plan I have bought in 2021 is Word Hero. This is also a AI content writing tool. I bought this tool because of its unlimited number of words writing feature. This tool is not totally matured right now. That's why I'm not using this tool so much. I just bought it and keep it waiting, and let's see what happen next. If the tool working fine, then I will continue to use Word Hero, as this tool is offering unlimited number of words per month. That's why I have bought this tool. I'm not using this tool right now, but I will use this tool later when the tool will be more matured. Guys, this is the third tool that I have purchased from Appsumo in 2021 as a lifetime deal. The third tool I have bought in 2021 for my online business is Optinly. Basically, Optinly is a goal-based pop-up form generator. If I log in, as you can see, this is my Optinly dashboard, and I'm using this Optinly dashboard to build my email list. If I go to my website, and from here, if I go to my deals review page, then see, here comes a pop-up, and if I click on this pop-up, then it will give me a pop-up like that. And when anyone submit this email, it will be stored in my email list. If I go to any content, suppose this Melon lifetime deal review, now, as you can see, whenever someone come to this page, then he will get a pop-up form at the top of the page. And whenever they submit the email will be stored in my email list. And this is the exit intent form. Whenever I try to exit from this page, a pop-up form will come like this. Suppose this is one of my email. Now, if I click on join now, it will redirect me to my Facebook group. That means I can collect now email and then I can redirect them to my Facebook group or wherever I want. In this way, I can create a lot of pop-up design for my website within 1 minute using Optinly. That's why I'm using Optinly, and I have bought this Optinly plan from Appsumo to build my email list. As you can see, these are the pop-ups, and all pop-ups are so beautiful and totally professional. I really like these pop-ups and the designs. You can customize all of these pop-ups for your website. It's not necessary that you have to use exactly these pop-ups. You can customize all of these pop-ups, and you can set up this pop-up based on your goals. You can integrate Optinly with your email marketing tools. Suppose, as you can see, I have integrated Optinly with Acomba Mail, which is the next deal I have bought from Appsumo as a lifetime deal for my online business. That means my fifth deal is Acomba Mail. My email list is not so big right now, but I wish in 2022 I will get a good amount of email list. And guys, if you want to get update about online business every week, you can subscribe to my email list. I will give the link of subscribing to my email list in the description of this video. I am using Acomba Mail as my email marketing tool. As you can see, this is a lifetime plan. This is the fifth deal which I am not using so much right now because my email list is not so big right now. As you can see, I have only 9 active subscribers, but I hope that in 2022 I'll grow my email list. And using Acombo Mail, I can send up to 1 lakh email per month. They offer various campaigns, lists, template, automation, and they offer SMTP, SMS, and there are a lot of pages which I can build on Acombo Mail. And I have integrated Acombo Mail with Optinly, as you can see from here. That means if anyone submit their email in Optinly, the email will store in my Acomba Mail dashboard. After that, the sixth plan that I have bought for my online business is Berrycast. I cannot show you the software because I am recording this video using Berrycast. As you can see, if I show you that, this is the Berrycast, and as you can see, my recording is ongoing. That's why I cannot open Berrycast from my computer right now, but I have bought this plan to record my screen, and almost all of the videos of my YouTube channel I have recorded using this Berrycast. I love this tool, it helping me a lot. I can store unlimited video on this Berrycast platform. It's only $129. It's helping me a lot. This is my sixth tool that I have bought for my online business, and it's helping me a lot. The next tool, and which is the last tool I have bought for my online business, is a live streaming tool. Now, which live streaming tool I have bought is Melon. As you can see, this is my Melon dashboard, and if I go to setting, and from here if I go to billing, from here you can see current plan is lifetime plan, and their support system is very good. As you can see, I have sent them a lot of messages and they solved all my problems. I love this tool, and I have tested their broadcasting and recordings and live streaming. They works fine for me. In 2022 I have planned for live streaming on my YouTube channel. That's why I have bought this Melon lifetime deal. These are the tool, guys, and that I have bought for my online business in 2021. In future I have planned to buy some more deals. The deals that I want to buy in 2022 is a social media auto posting tool by which I can automatically post all my blog articles and YouTube video to all my social media within one click or automatically. Then I think this is the tool that I am searching. Still, I have not purchased this tool. Maybe I will buy this tool in 2022, but still I haven't purchased this tool, or I can buy any other tools also. I haven't decided it completely. So guys, these are the tools that I have bought in 2021, and if you think this video is helpful for you, then please share this video with your friends and subscribe the channel. I will give all the deals link in the description of this video with 10% discount feature. If you think you need it, you can buy from the links given in the description, and some of these links may be affiliate link. If you buy from this link, it will support me. and visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about make money online and about your online career. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.